Hey everyone, I hope you all doing good. My name is Sandeep Goswami and this is my YouTube channel, Sandeep Goswami Classes. In the corporate sector, where many IT companies are providing jobs to millions of people in India and as often seen as a white collar job. And sometimes for students during their studies or while learning any new skills, they always have this dream to enter the corporate world to earn well and achieve their dream goals. But if I talk about today's corporate world, then it is not the same what it looks like from outside. Because as we all know that how many people are going through with so much harassment, overwork, even their salaries got delayed, and even multiple issues with their bosses and some higher authority people. And you know how many people are still afraid to losing their job, but they continue to work in this toxic environment and trapping themselves into an endless loop of harassment. Why? Because they have so much responsibility on their shoulders. That's why they're living a very stressful life. So in this video, I will explain that how our new age technology, along with the support of some government authorities, can be a part of the big change and can provide a better solution in a corporate world. First, we need to conduct a proper research and identify those companies whose past record with their own employee over the last few years is not good, especially regarding their behaviors towards their own employee. And this can be easily done by through an online data or with some well-structured survey. And once we have identified all those such companies, then we should categorize them based on the type of issues and problems that their employee have been reported, such as harassment with their own employee, delaying their salaries, unpaid overwork, no fixed hours of working, disrespectful behavior towards their own employee, and all other complaints that their employee have been reported. Now let's come into the technology part. For example, let's create an online portal, platform or any application and named it like 9 to 5 only. And on this application, on this platform, we can list all those such companies that we sort into different categories based on the type of issues and their problems. Then we can start an advertisement campaign or any awareness program to inform those professionals who are currently working to those companies. And our main goal is to encourage every professional to participate in those upcoming surveys that we are going to held through the application that we call 9 to 5 only. And after the registration of every employee, we'll ask them a couple of questions to check the company's current situation. And our questions could be, is your company overworking its own employee? Is your company delaying your salaries and not paying you on time? How's your current office environment and their work culture? Is there any recent complaint or any misbehavior with your own employee? How's your boss behavior and your senior mates as well? And after asking all these questions, we now have all their reports. And according to the report, those companies that are under the red flag and not providing suitable work environment for their own employee, then a government can impose a heavy fine in such companies and issue a strict warning to improve their work culture and create a better environment for their own employee. And also, we can set a clear terms and condition in case any employer try to provide false or any misleading information in the survey. Now, decided parameters like 0 to 10 and out of 5 will also help and make it very easier for the government to decide that which company should face heavy fines, which should receive only warnings, and in which companies they can simply give a notice to maintain a safer and healthy work environment for their own employee. And this could be one of the best solutions to make our corporate offices and companies' environment safer and more suitable for our upcoming generation as well. And additionally, this system will also help to create a fear among those bosses and some higher authority people that there should be some sense of responsibility and awareness of consequences so that they can treat their team members, teammates with respect and professionalism. And I hope that when this platform of 9 to 5 only will launch and implemented, then when our own employee will leave their office after the work, they should feel happy. They should feel satisfied to see the change in their work culture. And they cannot forget that they are working in a place where they find comfort and supportive environment, just like their second home. And there should be always an excitement in them to go back the next day, even on Mondays as well. Thank you so much. Hey everyone, I hope you like my video of how to solve corporate employees issues and their problems. If you have any questions or any doubt, then you can connect me on my Instagram or my LinkedIn, or you can mail me at the given email address in the description. And yes, if you like the video, then do subscribe my channel Sandeep Goswami Classes for the more upcoming videos, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow founders.